My presentation for this assignment is the analysis of track 10, and here are my contents. I will start with introducing the background of the company, and then I'll give some analysis of the business model canvas of the company. And last, I will introduce the value proposition design. Track 10 is a company that helps other companies to deliver the services they need on cloud. It specializes in leveraging the best use of AWS managed service to design, build, and support cutting-edge solutions for the client. As a first serverless partner and with the demonstrated knowledge on core AWS services that are common to serverless architectures, has resulted in Track 10 also being recognized by AWS as a service delivery partner. Besides, it provides 24/7 service to its customers, so they can provide several types of professional services, including web and mobile app design, media management, Internet of Things design, workflow and process management, blockchain development, developer acceleration, and so on. And now let's take a look at the business model canvas. As we have known, there are 9 parts in a business model canvas. They are key partnership, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, channel, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue stream. And I will give some detailed instruction to each element in this business model canvas. So first, let's take a look at the infrastructure part, which are key partnerships, key activities, and key resources. Track 10 has 3 key partners. The first one is Amazon Web Service, AWS. The second one is serverless, and the third one is called Datadog. It is easy to understand that AWS is a key partner, since Track 10 provides many cloud-based services. AWS offers a broad set of IT resources that help organizations move faster with lower IT costs and offer scale applications. As an advanced consultant of AWS, Track 10 has multiple production deployments under the AWS. Serverless enables developers to prototype new features and get to market fast. Track 10 is the first serverless partner and has established a good reputation as an expert at designing, building, and supporting serverless applications. The last one is Datadog, which is a service for cloud-scale monitoring. Track 10 is a big user of Datadog for its AWS integration part. Key activities are the most important activities in executing a company's value proposition. I believe the first one is to have platforms offered to the customers, and the second one is the ability for problem solving. The platform offered can help the customers to get the service they want, and the abilities for problem solving is what the companies can do to help with their pain points. Key resources are the resources that are necessary to create value for the customer. The first one for Track 10 is the professionals in AWS and related areas, that they can build the service or product that the customers want. And the second point is that they have 24/7 customer service, that they can help with the customers at any time they need. The offering includes a value proposition, which is the collection of products and services a business offers to meet the needs of its customers. For Track 10, it focuses on newness and customization. The newness means it is based on AWS, which is a novel and powerful cloud service, and is becoming a trending for many companies. And the customization means they provide design, build, and support for many types of applications and can design it specifically for each customer. For the customer part, it includes customer relationship, channel, and customer segments. So, for the customer relationship, it is mainly online, but may also be available offline. The company offers services based on AWS, which is an online platform, so the company and the customer don't need to meet in person, which can save them time and makes it more flexible to provide a service. The second part is the channel. As we can understand, the service is virtual rather than physical products, and it can be distributed via online platforms. As for the customer segments, they provide the service to a large range of companies. They can also provide a service to some individuals, but that might be a small part of the customers. The last section in the business model canvas is about the finance. The first one is the cost structure. The company is basically cost driven, which means it will try to maintain the low cost. Besides, from my understanding, the company has a variable cost because the cost of a company depends on the service that was requested by the customers, and the price of some platforms used by the company is based on the charge from AWS or Datadog. That depends on how much the service you use. The amount of service used can largely change the cost. And the second part is the revenue stream. The company gets its revenue from virtual products and technical support fees, which means they provide technical service and design rather than physical products. And for this company, it has recurring revenue because the customer generally needs to do a long-term contract or request technical support for a long time, and it is not a one-time purchase. So in this last part, I'm going to talk about the value proposition design. Well, the value proposition is a collection of products and services a business offers to meet the needs of its customers. It includes a large range of all customers, but we know that the company has its main customers. In the case of Track 10, the main customers of the company should be some middle and small companies specifically. They don't have to be technology companies, but can be any company that needs service on cloud computing, IoT design, process management, or any relevant serverless service. This is because many big companies have enough people resource and they can build their own team to do this job. But the smaller and middle-sized companies may not be able to build their own team, although they need these services as well. For these customers, the value proposition may be threefold. The professional technical service in many fields can offer different services the customer needs. The customized service for the customers can solve the problems of the special cases, and the 24/7 customer service can help the customers at any time they want, especially when there could be something emergent and some emergency situation occurs. That's all for my business model canvas analysis, and thank you for listening.